The magic of sound effects in film. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into the world of films, specifically into the realm of sound effects. Sound effects are a crucial component of filmmaking, as they can set the mood, provide realism, and drive emotional reactions. Let's explore how. Sound effects, often shortened to SFX, are artificial sounds or enhancements added to movies and other media. They're not naturally captured during filming. Instead, they are added during post-production to create a richer auditory experience. From the rustling of leaves to the roar of an explosion, sound effects help bring scenes to life. 1. Foley. Named after the pioneer Jack Foley, these are everyday sound effects like footsteps, door creaks, or the rustling of clothing. Foley artists use various props to recreate these sounds authentically. 2. Ambient, background sounds. These are continuous sounds that set a scene. Think of the gentle murmur in a cafe or the chirping of birds in a forest. 3. Spot effects. These are specific, occasional effects like a ringing phone or a thunderclap. 4. Special effects. Sounds that often accompany on-screen special effects, like an alien's voice or a spaceship's hum. Emotion. Sound effects can evoke emotion. The tense, eerie silence in a horror film can make your heart race, while the playful splashing of water can make a scene feel joyful. Realism. They add authenticity. Imagine a scene where a character walks on a gravel path. The crunching sound makes the scene believable. Narrative. SFX can push the story forward. The ominous creaking of a door can suggest an upcoming surprise. There's an entire industry dedicated to producing high-quality sound effects. Here are a few methods. Field recording, capturing sounds from the real world. For instance, recording the sound of rain or a bustling city. Synthesis, using software or synthesizers to create new sounds, especially useful for sci-fi or fantasy films. Practical effects, using props and physical objects to mimic real-life sounds, like squeezing a watermelon to mimic a certain gruesome sound effect. Sound effects are more than just noise in the background. They're a way to make films come alive, touch our emotions, and tell a richer story. Next time you watch a movie, take a moment to listen carefully. You might just appreciate the intricate layers of sound you'd previously taken for granted. Happy listening, and see you in the next video.